Africa.
Red, gold, green, that's all. Ghana, your flag,
Kofi, when you take the entire Africa, now for Europe, ebe share Africa more 18% beka.
Okay.
80 Africa, a so change Europe. So for youthful population and hard-working population inside Africa. Say yenya 98%, Europe only 17.3%. What for the whole of America with the Africa more? The entire Africa with the America more. Africa is larger than America, the entire America and the entire space of Africa. What for China now the be Africa more? Africa is twice and a half larger than China. The question is, Yanuan say na ambenia, yenya yeso, ye kwa ketwa ho, ekwa jebesia. Eti enyumbi ewo Bible ma Pentecost for tato, so bri bi pebi, betimi free Nazareth aba Nazareth wona adi sofo ko fi Nazareth e krofia kete mumra meshe mumra eti ene Ghana for timi fa plane ko Belgium Belgium tepa constituency switch Belgium say ye kwa Belgium
na ye kwa Caribbean cities ni island
Ghana timi Ghana ni fa plane free ha so ko Trinidad and Tobago. Crony D, who bokrada or yelling my wife or bepon.
In fact, November now or more.
Carnival.
Yeah, Carnival. MC for Trinidad or more capital. No, what him
Mo
and the whole population crony na 1.8 million.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Entire crony na 1.8 million.
Yeah, cause ya kwa Ghana for compare Jumaye. Kofi, me.
Yeah.
Makawo radio ni TV so saa. Na me yakwada ketwa Nana Addo danko akufado. Ye president ba kopa ye nyina. Yesom no. Yeah. No ye di na chie. Makuta ni nsuo da. Makuta ni nsuo da makasa. And I kept saying say I have saved his life before. It is a obi ye presenter, obi a broadcaster, obi a broadcast journalist in this country ya. Odo Nana Addo minjindi ye say odo no cheme. Because when you check the records, 2016, almost all the speeches he read in Europe, all the documents came from me. Blessed God's brain smart. Otumfa komo hine chame na yire nchikume ni asabi. Me ho na nkrata ni fire. Ni ya bobo ano de ba no. Saba hama ne na ban omo ya kromfo. Let me tell you today. I took 9 pictures with Nana Addo.
Okay.
So I don't hate him. In one of his speeches, he mentioned multimedia, mentioned Adom, and mentioned my name. He knows the Yetimia Yo. They are born no as an individual. I remember very well. During those days, Tabono, Minister of Justice and Attorney General, whatever.
And that first time.
Obifa A4 sheet. A4 sheet. Kofi fa APM stay go on fire A4 sheet ni kire. Webi. Papers webi.
Yes one.
Webi.
Omani Kofi.
Omani Kofi. Ya je de bosume miensa ketua. Editor A4 sheet de Shaban 9.
He had the country at heart.
Eti Ghana fo nya kukuduro se. Any papa say, ye papa na oba no. Drum de ketase hye de proye ne kankan de. And can ho nti ono wan kasa to me the settle bo. I am not corrupt.
I have never been corrupt.
And I have never been corrupt.
And I will not be corrupt.
And I will not be corrupt. And I will not allow any of my appointees to be corrupt. I am daring His Excellency, with all due respect to him and his position. So Bema and Uncle say, I am not corrupt. He can't say that. With all due respect to him. We love him, I respect him, and we all respect him.